Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a fun hairstyle on Sid. And right now, I'm parting her hair from left to right, basically halfway through her head. So as I move her hair out the way, I'm going to be focusing on the front. And I'm doing 3 sections, which I will part in a diagonal way. So it's really cute. She gonna have some really cute ponytails, y'all. So the first thing I'm going to be using is some grease, and this is argan oil, and I'm going to be using this for her parts. Next, I'm going to be using the Eco Styler coconut oil for her edges. I'm going to be using the oil moisturizer just to give her hair more moisture because her front of her hair is very dry. And I'm going to be putting this in a ponytail, and I'm going to first use a rubber band so that way I can add the ballie on after. And I will be braiding this into a plait once it's in this rubber band. So I actually decided for her middle part to do 2 braids instead of just one because I didn't want it super big and the 2 braids on the sides were small. So that's exactly what I would be doing in this middle section. And I'm basically doing the same steps with the products. I also added a little bit of jam in her hair. It's the blue kind. It's really soft and not flaky like the extra hold one. And this one seemed to really hold her edges down better because the front of her hair is really different than the back, which is crazy. But basically, that's all I'm doing. I'm just repeating the steps and adding a little bit of jam. So you already see her with a ballie because I was trying to test this out because I was going to do a different hairstyle. So I went with this, and all I did was just add a ballie and put beads on. I really like to protect her ends as much as possible because she goes to school and I don't need her hair all over the place. Yeah, that's just an utter mess. And now I'm going to be doing the back, and I'm going to kind of be doing the same thing, doing in like a diagonal type of parting. And it's kind of the same setup. The middle will have 2 parts, and just the sides will just be 1 ponytail, as you see. Y'all, getting these baby hairs together, OMG, but that's all right. We gonna get it. I got plenty more times to practice on her with this dang on baby hair brush, but that's all right. At least she looks cute. Well, I hope you guys like this video. It was super easy to do. You can mix this style up any way of your choice. And don't forget to subscribe, guys.